Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bluey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the right eye with a large oval. And then let's add another one inside. And color this one in black. Now before we draw the other eye, let's add the nose first. Let's start on the left and let's draw a line out. And then for the end, let's curve it down. And then curve it back up and over to the right. Now inside this section, let's draw the nose. Let's start with two curves down, forming a rounded triangle. And then add an oval inside at the top. Now that we're done the nose, let's draw the other eye behind. Let's start on top and let's draw an oval shape over to the left and back in. And then inside, on top of the nose here, let's draw another half oval up and back down. And color this in black. Next, on top of each of the eyes, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on an angle. Another curve on top. And then close off each of the ends with a curve. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move underneath and let's finish drawing the mouth. From the line we drew earlier on the bottom right, let's curve it over, down, and back out to the left. And then inside, let's add the teeth by drawing 3 bumps from the top. And then underneath, on the left, an angle down. Next, let's draw the pattern around the mouth. Let's start underneath the right eye and let's draw a curve down, around the mouth, and back up. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and start drawing the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a line across in between the eyebrows. Now top to the sides and let's draw a small curve down. And then vertical lines down on both sides. Now for the bottom, let's curve it in. And then connect both sides at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move inside and let's add the pattern details. Let's start inside near the top under the eyebrows and let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right. And then let's continue this curve underneath each of the eyes by curving it down and out. Next, let's hop down and let's draw 2 curves along the left side. And then 1 oval shaped curve coming out from the right side. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start with a curve across in the middle. And then curve it down from both sides. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move on top and let's add the ears. Let's draw 2 V-shaped points up. And then another V-shaped point up inside each of the ears. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. On both sides, let's draw 2 angles up and out. And then inside each one, let's add a curve like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start from the top line and let's draw a curve around. Then on top of this, let's draw a bump for the next finger. Another bump underneath. And then one more to close off each of the hands. And then lastly, let's draw one small curve inside on the palms. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. And then inside each leg, let's draw a curve near the bottom. Next, underneath, let's add the feet. Let's start with a curve down from both ends of the legs and curves across the bottom. And then inside each foot, let's draw 2 curves for the toes. Lastly, let's move to the right side and let's add the tail. From the bottom right of the body, let's draw a curve down, bringing it up at the end. Then another bump down, and one more curve to close it off. And then inside the tail, let's add one more curve near the top. And that's it for Bluey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!